Charlie, the owner of QTD Ltd. And I just wanted to give you a brief overview of our business. We design, create and supply specialist timbers. Our main timber, or our main speciality, is thermally modified hardwoods and softwoods. We also supply homegrown larch and Douglas fir. Our three main core businesses are thermally modified cladding, decking and 3D wall art. The thermal on the cladding side, we break that down into the Atelier clad range, which is our factory coated range. We have 11 different profiles. It has a brush grain surface, and there are about 10 different colours that you can have. The same would apply for the decking. We can do the same thing, so you have that non-slip surface, and we can colour match as well. We're also the UK producers of thermochar, so charred thermowood cladding. We do different finishes on the charring side, and on the 3D wall art, the 3D panels, they effectively are just 300mm tiles. They come in boxes of 11 tiles per box, which make up 1 square metre, and you just glue those on your internal walls with a good wood adhesive, and you can build up to create any sort of pattern. They're great for sound insulation. But that just gives you a general overview. Naturally, there's a lot more products as well. If you look at our website, the website is qtdgroup.com. And if you have any inquiries, then either contact us through the contact form or email us at sales@qtdgroup.com. So I hope you find that useful. Speak to you soon. Bye.